Hi guys, so this is my quick recap on gold. If you watch my analysis yesterday on gold, I uploaded gold analysis yesterday, and I think gold was around this level right here, and I said I predicted gold to at least push to my negative 27% fib level, which is my 1962. Around that area. That was my first target, and my second target was my negative 61.8, which is 1971, around that area, before we now continue to see what happened. But we can see, even though it dropped down a little bit more to give us like a fake out, this is a fake out right here, because people would think that was an engulfing candle because it broke out an engulfing bearish candle, so they might think it broke out, so it's going to continue to the downside, which I know the overall direction is the down move. You can watch my previous analysis on gold to know my reason why that I think overall we are on a bearish move. So and I said we are going to push up a little bit to the upside to around this level before we now see what next. And as you can see, it has gone to that level. So let me delete it and let's now let me analyze right now based on the current price action. So if I go to a bigger time frame, let's just see a bigger time frame on what we think might happen right at this level. This is a really significant level right here, and my reason is because we can see that on the daily time frame, whenever it gets to this trend line, it bounces off this trend line, and right at this moment we are around that trend line, so there's a possibility it might bounce around that trend line. So we just have to be patient and be mindful. So my own what I would do is I'll let this candle, this bullish candle, close. If it close above this trend line right here, there's a possibility that we might continue to push up for a while. If not, then we will see, but we just have to be a little bit patient right now because of where it is right now. Even if it weak out to this my target right here, there's still a possibility that we might still push to the downside. So right now, what I'll be expecting, I'm predicting is two predictions right here. Let's see if I see a breakout of this trend line right here and break of structure around that level, then I see a retest around this trend line. If I see rejections, then I see a break of structure again, then a possible retest around that imbalance area. Then that's a possible move that we might continue to push to the downside. So we just have to be patient for us to have more data before we decide on what to do, because it might be a fake out. That's my possibility for bearish direction. So we just have to be patient. This is my next target on bearish direction. We just have to be patient and see what next. And if we are going to the upside, what I'll prefer is more of like an engulfing candle that we are pushing to the upside, and I want it to at least break this zone right here. If it breaks that zone right here, there's a possibility that we might continue to push to the other side. So right now on gold, I would just say we should be a little bit more patient on gold and see what's next on gold before we now reanalyze and think of what to do next. So because it's in a significant area right at this zone right here, there's a possibility it might bounce up of that zone and continue to push up like the prior price action we've seen, or it might break the structure and break this trend line, and we just have to be patient for it to change direction before we now know the next direction. So this is just my quick analysis on gold, guys. So hope this is insightful. Please don't forget to share, comment, and like, and I will see you in my next analysis. Thank you.